Hi, Excel Emergency. So, in this video, let's discuss kung paano natin gagamitin yung conditional formatting using a formula. I have here our sample file. So, meron tayong mga numbers dito sa ating cells. If I want na ma-highlight yung maximum number or pinakamataas na number per row, all I need to do is just select yung ating cells na pina-format, go to conditional formatting, and then select natin yung new rule. So, dito sa window na to, I will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. So, since my selection started sa cell E1, ito yung first row, I will use a test here. I will use equals E1 equals max or yung maximum. Ito yung test niya, no? So, yung ating column E, nilagay ko ng lock yung ating column name, yung letter. Kasi ayoko na gumalaw siya. Kasi ayoko na pag nag-move yung ating selection, maging relative. Kailangan may dollar sign yung ating column name. So, I have here $E1 to $H1. Then, I go to format. Ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, gusto ko yung fill niya magiging red. So, yan ang select natin. Then, okay. And then, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Ayan. You can see, na-highlight niya na yung maximum per row. So, in this row, 10 yon. In this row, again, 10. In this row, 8. Now, if I want the minimum naman, gawin naman tayong yellow. Yan. You can see, nakamark naman ng yellow yung minimum. So, that's how we do it. And, yeah. See you in the next nating video.